Nathan's driven down all the way from New South Wales. He's come to pick up this beautiful 565 in black. And basically what he's doing, he's going to continue onto Cairns, where he's going to have his Christmas break and holidays. So this 565 is going to go into action almost straight away. So on the highways and up to Cairns, and that's what it's all about with these 565s. Once again, we've got a Mercury on this boat. We're spinning the same prop that we normally spin. We just did its water test, that's why we're out here at the moment. Obviously with a following sea, you're getting a bit better figures. We've got 83 at about 5.850, and it drops down to about 77, 78 in the head sea. So you've got to allow for that, and you've got to understand that. If you're heading into a head sea, your fuel consumption is not always going to be the same as what you experience on a nice calm day. So factor that into your trips. Nathan's opted for outriggers and slimy tubes, so he's going to be doing a fair bit of offshore fishing, blue water fishing, a bit of marlin fishing, a bit of everything. The boat's set up for it. We've got our high and we've got our low transducers. We've got our Simrad. He's got all the gear that he needs. He's got a bait board at the back for bait prep, and there's not much else you need, just a bit of tackle, a few rods, a couple of mates, and off you go. We've got an audio system with JLA speakers, which we're doing a lot of now. A lot of people value their music. 2 speakers is ample. You can have 4 if you like. There's room for 4. Not really necessary unless you're a young fella and you love the doof. But yeah, Nathan, I'm sure this will be ample. It's ample for me, ample for most people. So yeah, enjoy the music. A big congratulations, Nathan. I just want to say, mate, you've got a beautiful boat. You're going to have a fantastic Christmas, obviously, mate, spending plenty of time on the water with your family and doing what you love best.